This is almost 9 days old babies, and they are growing. This is the biggest one, so they are growing good. Yeah, so I just give them some food, a banana in the syringe, and so that they can they like to stick together, so that's why. 4, and this is the smallest one. Yeah, this is the smallest baby. Yeah. Oh, he jumped, he turned around because I was careful with this guy. Little guy, I just feed him a little bit because I want to make sure he's getting some food. So now I'm gonna put him back into their cage. So this way they can stay inside. Yeah. So 5 babies, they're almost 9 days old babies, and now I'm gonna make the parents free so that they can move around and they can stay inside. Yeah, so now they can come in. She's very anxious where my kids are. Yeah, she's a mother. Now she's gonna go inside. Yeah, so this guy, she's a mother. Yeah. So this guy came outside. चलो आजो, आजो. दंदी नहीं काटते. पाली करो पाली. Okay, hold on. Just go there. Okay, go inside. Yeah, they were worried what happened to the baby. So they were making noise. Yeah, she's the mother and he's the father.